Hi everyone, today we're going to demonstrate how to enter and exit the biosafety level 2 labs here in the MedLab program.
When you arrive in the lab hallway, locate your locker that has been assigned to you. Place your personal items in the locker and retrieve any printouts required for the lab session. Place the documents under your arm and remember to lock your items. For second year students, a lock will be provided to you on your first day of labs. Line up in the hallway, being mindful of the physical distancing guides on the floors. Markers are labeled with the lab numbers and located throughout the lab hallway and the corridors leading up to the labs. Please stand on the marker that corresponds to the lab you will be entering. A lab instructor will open the door for you. Proceed to the hand sanitizer station located just outside the entrance and sanitize your hands before entering. Once inside the lab, retrieve a plastic bag from the roll. Open the bag and place your personal mask inside. Carefully poke a hole through the plastic and hang the bag on the peg that corresponds to your assigned seat in the lab. Next, clean your hands using the hand sanitizer provided. Ensure your hands are completely dry and then retrieve a surgical mask from the box. Put on the surgical mask, ensuring that you have a good seal around the bridge of the nose. Proceed to the glove station and collect a pair of gloves. Continue into the lab while still holding your printouts under your arm. Locate your assigned bench and place any printouts and gloves on the bench sheet. Open your lab kit and retrieve your lab coat and safety glasses, then proceed to don your PPE. Lastly, sit at your workstation and wait patiently for all other students to enter the lab and wait for the go-ahead from your instructor before beginning the lab session. First, remove your gloves and place them in the benchtop biohazard container. Clean your hands with sanitizer located at your bench. Remove your safety glasses and lab coat, then place them in your lab kit. Leave your lab kit on the second shelf at your workstation. Sanitize your hands again. Retrieve any printouts and proceed to the hand wash station, ensuring that there are no other students waiting. Once in the hand wash area, while holding any printouts under the arm, remove the surgical mask and place it into the biohazardous waste. Wash your hands using appropriate hand washing technique for a minimum of 20 seconds. Retrieve and put on your personal mask. Finally, exit the lab using the automatic door opener located on the wall. In the hallway, it is important to maintain physical distance with other students while at your locker. Once your items are collected, do not congregate in the hallway. Proceed to an area on campus for personal time between labs while maintaining social distance and wearing your personal masks at all time.